will talk about how can you disable account suggestions on your Traits app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, click here in this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you go above this sign, click on it, then it's going to show for you a list like this here. You click here on notifications, then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on following and followers here. Then you come to this list, you just go down, come here to account suggestions, just click here on off. So that like you see here now, this color show for us here. That's mean account suggestions disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.